Dyson 360 VisNav. The robot features 360 visual navigation and utilizes SLAM technology, integrating a 326 sensors. It efficiently detects obstacles and plans its cleaning route, even in low-light conditions. The device automatically monitors its battery level and returns to the dock to recharge as needed. Smart home connectivity allows users to customize cleans, set rules and routines, and control the device with voice commands using Alexa and Google Assistant. The robot is available for purchase at a price of $2,399.